Hey Robert, Sav over at Delray Buick. Just want to take a quick video of that Cascada you called on. This is the actual toasted coconut with the 20 rims on it. This one has the black interior. I believe we do have another one out back. It's got the cream interior as well. Seats are automatic like you saw at the other place. Fold down. Got a windscreen already in place here. It does have another one. You can see the holes here. And on the other side there, they pop across. So this is one of two of the toasted coconuts we do have here. So I will see you tomorrow at 3 o'clock. If you got any questions, give me a shout on my cell. Talk to you later. Thanks.